Member for Wewak.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
Yes, thank you. He like that him question blow me without notice. Go long. Good blow minister long. Works and I was now member blow telephone me. But firstly, we like to thank you, Lo Marberoso Gaban, Lo Connect PNG program will work him. Inside lo country blow me blah, Papua New Guinea. While you make lo work lo Connect PNG, you make lo losing the lo existing roads blow me blah. Over the road blow me lo work na bridge and collapse. Boran Bridge, 9 years. And collapse and stop. Good law minister, me approach him, you plan the time. What I'm secretary blue. Me like him some blame, but you talking people will work. Benden Creek lo parum. 5 years. Bridge and collapse. Time high flood, the water tight, people long, sundown, lo greater civic, na civic is excessive. Warm bridge, na warm road. Effect block climate change. Na people in no issue. You make that one big pla. Na memorial site them stop lab. Since 1942, Japanese been surrender. Na this lab park them still stop lab. You mean no excessive. Koikin, the corner road blow me bla. Effect blown. Continuous rain, road them halfway gone. I mean half the road is been washed out. Now you make a legally absorb me block go come. People block greater CP calculation go come, blow work lock ship service. Moim Barracks, road going to Moim Barracks, especially the bridge. Anytime member collapse, you Mr. Dokubu Bridge Lem. All existing roads, blow me blow work and more collapse. You blow Luna give him work, give him a good reputable contractor. You may spending money one more time, now road them last. You may give him a contract load, side load line go come. Now we'll work him tomorrow roads a bagrap. So Mr. Deputy Speaker, I'm all points me raise him and bridge now or roads from me, Low Work District. Thank you.
Minister for Works.
Thank you. Good luck question. Law member law Wewak. Raise him all. Conscience law roads. Now bridges law Wewak. Road law Koikin law go on top major road contract start law Wewak go to law Maprik. Been stop contract go this law contractor. All payments law mobilization been paid to the contractor. So part contract law display road. Time we work law display road, display landslip, now display road to go on top law Maprik law Sipik highway and part law display road. So all people blow me law all Wewak na all Isipik Pamas away awesome road start law Wewak na finish law Maprik contract ego finish law one plus China contractor. Contractor start law Wewak mobilization fund of almost 3 million been paid to the contractor, and it's the contractor to be on site, start working so that my department can continue to pay the contractor to continue with the progress of the work. Until now, contractor is not on site. We can't pay him unless he's on site. So people blow me, law road, law Koikin, go on top. Law road, bridge, law warm, part, law Mipla works or Connect PNG program. And by my staff namelong DDA blow Wewak na also provincial government blow Isipik. Law YouTube la he counterpart. Law fund him this blow bridge. Law bridge, law namel law Boram, law golo moim, display Mipla give him contractor finish. Now Mipla replace him, want them cement, concrete bridge. So Mipla design finish. Now we are working on the budget for next year 2026. Pamipla capture him cement bridge, law display Boram bridge golo mwem. Also while Mipla make him, he got erosion law see come inside na me cut him road, so all contract me play about him finish, but pampla talk him contractor can too, lo design him can, redesign him can, long avoid him, how by me put him road, lo golo moem. Because na plus item so ora kam, na plus item big pla, small to stop na, he will have to design a road that, and by now lo go selo moem. So this plan me blow work long and so, all people blow me, all member blow me lo. Wewak now also people don't know Isibik, me bla attend lo this bla. We working on those roads. But we'll come to those roads. Thank you.
We have a supplementary. Governor for Sandown.
On that same note, if the minister could give us when will be the contract given to the part of the section between Warashikau and Karajam. I believe it went on the paper some months ago, and yet we are still waiting for who is going to win the contract then. I think the special procurement department is saying that it's to do with some kind of sort of things which works have to put it in place for them to, before it's called for the tender. If the good minister could clear the air, and the people of Eastern West Pacific, when is a contractor going to give the contract? Thank you.
Honourable Minister.
Thank you. For the supplementary question asked by Governor for West Pacific, me apply got contract law. Warasikau Kamlo Maprik, Golo Lumi. Na also me apply got road contract istablo NPC too, lo Maprik, Gogota lo Warasikau. So this play inland civic highway, this la two pla contract me stop one place to NPC, another place to process logo lo NEC, long give him contractor, award him contract lo contractor lo start lo Warasikau go lo Lumi. So I'm close to time, but me play award him contract go long contractor. Also me like talks away to all people lo isipik two of them. Me play award him contract o finish lo pasam go angoram. Na me play wait lo clearance all states all na APC clear him out. Emba only sign him contract na contractor ba start lo road start from pasam go lo angoram. Road lo coastal roads lo start lo wutung na kamo lo Wewak. Like to thank you to lo all ADB will lo continue lo design detail lo display road stuff once only design him by 2026-27 and by lo contract lo tender lo road pambla would him start lo wutung kam lo vanemu na vanemu kam ogata lo Wewak. Parigat contractor start road start work lo Wewak ogata lo Aitape. So road lo vanemu kam lo Aitape. At this point in time, we have 3 contractor stable road lo maintaining this road. So for the first time, this road we in good road condition. We like to thank you lo Maraveroso government lo put him 100 million for the first time lo isleya. So all the some lo abo road maintenance we plus start lo maintain him good, put him lo good conditions lo wait lo seal come inside. And then this pla me like appeal lo people lo WCP cause road lo Warasikau lo Lumi. Cross the time by NEC, law NEC award him contract. Thank you.